Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what I'm going to do is a little program here called Python Short URL Expander. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to a URL shortener channel like this one, website, and we're going to shorten the URL and then we're going to expand it again. So first of all, what I've done here, I've imported the requests module, which you'll need, and if you don't already have this request module on board Python, you need to install it using pip. Now I've created a function here called URL expander. I've created a variable called URL here and assigned it to input. This will get the user input, whatever the user types in. And I've given the user a prompt here, so enter URL to expand. And then we're going to use the request module here. I've created a variable called response and assigned it to request.url. And I've entered this in allow redirects, which is equal to true. And now I'm going to use the print command here. I've typed in destination and I've put response.url. And then just to call the program, we call it by its name, URL expander. So let's go over to this website and get our URL. So I've typed in this URL here and whoops. Okay, there we go. It's shortened the URL, so I'll just copy it. I'll go over to here and let's run the program. Let's make it a little bit bigger. So we can enter our input in here, enter URL to expand. So that's the URL we want to expand. Wait a couple of seconds and there you go. Destination https example.com. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Thank you very much for watching the video, and remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. It would help the channel a lot, and give me a big thumbs up and drop me a comment, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.